Did you know you can now pay your Sandia Area loan from your phone with mobile check deposit? It's quick and easy. Here's how. Log into your Sandia Area mobile app. Click on your loan under Accounts. Click Deposit a Check, which is located underneath your remaining balance. If this is your first time using mobile check deposit, accept the terms and conditions. A check deposit notice will inform you to write, for mobile deposit only, Sandia Area Federal Credit Union, the check number, and your signature on the endorsement line. Enter the amount of the payment, then click Scan Check. Allow access to your camera, and the app will take the photo for you. Please note that the check should be made out to Sandia Area Federal Credit Union or the account holder's name. Don't have mobile banking? Download the mobile app now through the App Store or Google Play Store.